All right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is what you sent in the chat, in the general chat to everybody. You wanted everybody to see this. Now, I've watched this channel before, Whistling Diesel, very popular channel, always doing crazy things. I saw an episode where he was wearing the Back to the Future Nikes that are extremely expensive. He's wearing them as work boots. So this guy is all about the shock value.
Yeah, over the top. And he doesn't seem too excited about anything. He's just kind of like matter of fact.
It's like, of course we're doing this. Although he is wearing a full kind of white suit here, which is a little different.
There's a little bit of trying here.
There's a little different there. Anyway, so the title of the video is Driving a Tesla Upside Down. 10 feet tall wheels. Man, you got to appreciate the effort on that.
Oh, man. Like, he converted the Tesla wheels into these giant 10 feet tall carriage wheels, and all four of them. And not only does he make it work, he pulls a Ferrari underneath.
Is that a Ferrari? Wow, look at that thing.
Oh, okay, yeah,
beautiful.
But it starts driving.
Holy crap! That
looks unreal.
Weirdly terrifying. Is the windshield already shattered on that?
Yeah, because it went through a garage door by using auto summon.
And he just went straight over top that gate.
And not only does he do this, but he converts it upside down.
Yeah. Wow.
And proceeds to drive the Tesla upside down with these 10 feet wheels down the street.
You got to get the harness going there. Otherwise, you're not staying still, man. Wow.
I don't know why he's doing this.
Well, listen. No, I mean, you know why he's doing that. Well, that's the title of the video. That's why he's doing it.
I mean, he's not experimenting or anything like that. It's just kind of
Are you suggesting that the usefulness here is not high?
Yeah, this is really incredible, really. Like, to just have the know-how to do this and have a pretty fun video. Like, I really respect this guy for just doing what he does.
Yeah, well, like, I mean, here's the thing, right? There's...
Like, how dangerous is this?
It's very dangerous. Yeah, no, it's extremely dangerous.
Fast.
It's all about spectacle here. And a lot of this stuff, right, they've got all this land over there, and they can kind of run these experiments. And with I was going to say with some degree of safety. I mean, it's like it's a closed track.
Okay.
There goes the
save, right?
Yeah, there goes the rubber on the end of the wheel. Oh boy, yeah, this is starting to get risky here. He's just trying to do a burnout with the wagon wheel.
Yeah. I'm not going to spoil the end, but it gets kind of even crazy.
Yeah, go watch the video. Shout out Whistling Diesel. Always the most bonkers. That's a beauty right there.
I wonder if Elon would watch this.
We'll watch what?
This video?
Yeah, why not? He should tweet it out. No, I don't know, because then you get into like the ramifications of publicizing something that's definitely dangerous.
Yeah.
A modification. But then again, he seems to be...
That guy, you know?
He seems to be having fun most of the time, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.